Last week was all about Brighton SEO. This week it's all about We Love SEO conference in Paris. Top digital marketers are going to the French capital this week. Gary Hills, Jerry White, Chris Green, Maria Cheslak, Francois Gaube. I would like to say a big, massive thank you to OnCrawl for inviting me to this conference. And ruining my diet plans for this month. What can I do? I love French food. I love French patisserie.
So I'm very happy to have these rock stars here today in Paris. Let me introduce.
You can divide your content into, is it bringing revenue? No. We have to update it, we have to change it, we have to delete it. That's it. And this was the thing, again, going back to the beginning, you know, the medic update, yeah? Let's call it the medic, although it affected many websites, right? The medic update affected many websites, and suddenly people realized that you can apply the same formula to all websites. And I hope that agencies like Chris agencies understand that, because when you approach your customers, you really have to understand what their niche is, and then only then you can create content for them.
Because you can learn a lot about the intent of a key term by what Google is ranking for it. If you're the only sort of page that's trying to sell for a keyword that everyone else's information or articles, you're trying to push a boulder up a hill. It's making life difficult. So that subjective look at the SERPs is where we pretty much start. Crawling the website, looking at word count, looking at readability.
So many websites are multiplying the number of pages, targeting very, very, very long tail keywords. And what I'm seeing, it's better to build one landing page containing the proper content, answering this keywords, and it's better to build links to one page rather than to 100 page. And
one of the key things being an in-house SEO is really knowing your site, really knowing where all the different pages are. My boss recently said, wow, you seem to know where all the weird hidden bodies are at Just Eat, and I'm kind of, by the way, we have no hidden bodies, but as in like the projects that kind of didn't.
But I increased their revenue, now listen, with 22% in 6 or 7 months, right? Yeah, so those are the numbers, they're real numbers. And this is literally do more with less.
If you overload your page with ads, then you are going to have a hard time ranking. We do see the number of ads on the page, or basically ads looking areas, if they are blocked with robots.txt. Use them reasonably. If the AdSense team is telling you that 32 ad blocks is okay on the page, then maybe don't believe them. Maybe just put 12 ads on the page. Don't basically take a look at the page, see if the page for you as a user is compelling or not. And then
underneath the Eiffel Tower.
可以上网。
Jerry, come closer, mate. You're in my live video.
Live video?
How do I turn this thing around? Joined by Jerry.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Où est Chris? Chris is
Over there. Oui,
in
oui.
toilette.
In toilette.
In toilette. Oui.
Yeah, so now you're in my
Do you know
live
what?
video, Chris.
Oh, I'm on live.
Say hi, mom.
Hi, Mum. I don't.
Bonjour.
My mum hasn't subscribed to the channel yet.
No, not yet. Can you please tell her click like and subscribe?
What's that say? You want to tag Jerry in this video? Why would you want to tag Jerry in this video?
How does he know Jerry's in the video?
It's terrifying, isn't it?
Yeah, how does he know
See,
you're
I'm
in the
incognito.
video?
Yeah, I know. Take your hat off. Take the
Facebook
glasses
doesn't
off.
know
Are we
who
not
I am.
friends? Are we not friends on
facial
Facebook?
recognition.
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh
well.
man, that'd be awkward.
Yeah, we are not friends anyway, but
No,
Yeah.
we can be friends on Facebook.
that'd be really awkward.
Okay, the Eiffel Tower is behind
Hey,
us.
Ross. How you doing, Ross?
Hey, Ross. Hi, Emma.
Who?
Hi, Mum.
Oh, hi, Emma.
Hi, Mum.
That's not your mum.
No.
We've just run up the Eiffel Tower and back again. We're a bit tired now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're running up the stairs and down.
I did say we'd run up the stairs and we actually just walked.
Uh-huh.
Who's that?
Of course. Who's that?
Thank you.
No, thank you.
What do they want? I just kept going no.
No.
Except,
Hey,
no.
just say no.
Hello.
No.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's
Bonjour,
not there.
Emma.
Right, after running up the Eiffel Tower, should we go get a quick pint?
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go for a quick
Coffee and
pint.
croissant.
Yeah.
Coffee and croissants, yeah. And a pint.
I've Coke.
Coffee.
Diet Coke, because I'm still at work.
Emma, I've done my steps for today.
Yeah. Should we get on?
Yeah.
Are you going to live chat the whole thing?
No. See you later,
Bye,
guys.
Bye, Ross.
Bye. Au revoir.
Bye,
Au revoir.
Emma.
Au
Bye, Mom.
revoir.